Hey everybody, it's Miss Allen. I am here to explain to you how to do the Excel or the Google Sheets graph for your Penny Drop lab today. So let's take a look. You've already watched how to set up your data table in this video. You've already seen the actual lab in this video. And now we're going to take a look at setting up the Google Sheets table and graph. So I've opened a new Google Sheet, and I also have the recorded information from my Penny Drop investigation. So the first thing I need to do is copy and then paste the data from my recorded data table. This allows the program Google Sheets to create an accurate chart. So this is a really simple process. This is a short video to show you what you need to do. First, go over here to Insert Chart, and this will automatically create, for the most part, the graph that you need. However, there are a few things we need to add to this graph in order to make it a complete and finished product. So, first thing, Hand Soap and Water is the title that they've given it, and they've put it into a bar graph chart. That's exactly what we want. But we're going to change a few of those things. So first thing you need to do is go to the Chart Types tab, and we want to switch our rows and columns. Instead of having trial and averages listed separately on the bottom, we want to show our independent variable on the bottom x-axis of the graph. So we're going to click this box that says Switch Rows and Columns. Now you can see we have Trial 1, Trial 2, Trial 3, and Average. And on the bottom we have our independent variable. On the vertical axis, also known as the y-axis, we have our dependent variable. So now we go to the Customization tab and we start to add some titles. So first, the chart type title, we need to make that a little more explanatory. We need something more than just Hand Soap and Water. So anytime you do a scientific chart or graph of your data, you need to have a title that reflects what you tested. So our title here should be the effect of type of liquid on number of drops on the pen. And it is totally okay that that is a long title. That's perfectly acceptable in the science world. Next, you can see we have our category titles, but we are missing the actual independent variable. We are also missing our dependent variable here. So to do those, on the right or on the left-hand side, simply scroll down a little further. The next category or the next area is axis, and you can choose horizontal or vertical. So the horizontal axis, we need to add a title. This should be type of liquid. And then we can switch to the vertical axis and add a title, number of drops. Then choose Insert Chart. And you can, if you highlight the chart so that it has the blue line around the outside edge, you can simply drag that so that it's not covering your data. Up here, add a title to your chart. And instead of copying and pasting this into the Word document that you started, which you are certainly able to do if you want to copy and paste your data down here, you may do that. But instead, I prefer that you just submit this as a separate submission in your Penny Drop lab. That way I can see both your data table and the graph that you've created. So, simple as that. If you have any questions, please send me a message.